Natapos na naman ang isang kongreso at magandang balikan ang naging pagkilos natin sa nakaraan. 5 congresses and at least 13 successful bills becoming laws. One very emotional but successful campaign to block the lowering of the minimum age of criminal responsibility. And another successful advocacy which unfortunately ended being vetoed by the President. Sa nakalipas na mga taon, marami tayong napagtagumpayan kahit naging mahirap ang landas ng advokasya. Magkagayunman, ang CRN ay mas lalong tumibay at nakilala. As we prepare to engage the new government and the 19th Congress, we will rely on each other's commitment and expertise. There might be new and far more difficult challenges that will test our resolve and resources. But if we stay together and focus on what's important, we shall overcome. Dahil alam natin na laging may mga oportunidad na uusbong kahit sa mas komplikado at mahirap na sitwasyon. With 58 members across the country, we continue to expand not just in membership, but the issues and sectors that we represent. Despite our significant contributions to society through policy reform, our job is never done. CRN will forge on and sustain its advocacy to ensure that children will always be at the heart of every law. Maraming salamat.